Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Holman rear door window screens for the RAM ProMaster City. So let's get into it. All right, what we got here are the rear door window screens for the RAM ProMaster City. These are little wire window guards. They go over the glass to essentially protect the glass from damage, as well as help secure the cargo area of the van. And the way that you purchase these is you buy the rear doors and the side doors separately. In our case, you can kind of see behind me, we have our RAM ProMaster City. We have the glass delete option on the side door, so we actually don't need window screens there. But we do have some customers who will put it, even when they have the glass deleted, they'll still put the window screens there because it's kind of an organization solution where you can hang bungee cords and things like that. So bolts, it looks like little hex cap bolts for putting these in. These are pretty heavy duty, a lot bigger than I thought they would be. And then we've got, this is a black powder coat mesh wire window cover, if you will. So we got one here and we got the second here. There's one for each door, so you don't buy the door separately. I'm not sure which orientation this goes in from here, but one's gonna be on the door with the bigger window, one's gonna be on the door with a smaller window. Installation's pretty simple. You're gonna take your screw and you're gonna go into the sheet metal on the van, and it's gonna secure it there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mounting points, and looks like the same on this one over here. Pretty simple product. It's like I mentioned, it's a glass protection tool. You know, if you've got equipment, tools, lumber, supplies, whatever, that maybe you've got a piece of lumber that is a little bit longer than you think and you go to slam the door shut, you could be shattering glass. This protects the glass. It also just protects entry into the van if someone were to shatter that glass on the window. And then it's also an organization tool. We see people who hang spray bottles and bungee cords and various things from this as well. So it's kind of got threefold purpose there. So, you know, pretty simple package here. Installation is pretty simple. I didn't see installation instructions included in the box. So if you don't get them, you can always go to our website at upfitsupply.com, search for the part number in the search box, and there's going to be a little tab on the product page that says installation details. You can download that manual as well. We're going to be installing these on our RAM ProMaster City as well, so we may even have a video on how to install this as well, but it includes all the hardware you need and these nice little window covers. So if you are looking for these products or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.